Woke up to a quieter mind today. No storm in my chest, just a softer rain. There's a mirror that I used to dodge. Now I meet those eyes and I don't feel lost. Coffee's warm and my hands don't shake. Small wins stacked like a brand new day. I ain't fixed, but I'm finding grace, putting one more brick back into place. They say you can't have your cake and eat it too. Well, I'm learning how to take a bite that's true. Piece by piece, I'm getting life back. Crumbs of hope on a clean new track. I don't need the whole damn thing at once, just enough to feel the rising sun. Yeah, I fell, yeah, I made mistakes, but I'm healing with every taste. If you're real, you can stay and see how sweet this life can be with me. Some folks talk, yeah, they know my name, but they only see the past I made. Let them whisper, let them doubt. I've got a lot of things I care about. There's the ones who never walked away, held the light when I lost my way. Now we laugh at the scars we share, breaking bread like we made it there. You can't rush what's meant to take its time, but every little step feels like a climb. Piece by piece, I'm getting life back. Crumbs of hope on a clean new track. I don't need the whole damn thing at once, just enough to feel the rising sun. Yeah, I fell, yeah, I made mistakes, but I'm healing with every taste. If you're real, you can stay and see how sweet this life can be with me. I can't change what's carved in stone, but I choose the road I'm walking on. And if you're here, then pull up a chair. There's enough for love, there's enough to share. We'll take it slow, we'll take it right, one small bite at a time tonight. No more running, no more shame, just a man learning how to change. Call me Greg, yeah, I've been through hell, but I'm still here and I'm doing well. No one's taking this from me. This is my truth, this is my victory. Piece by piece, I'm getting life back. Not perfect, but I'm on the right track. I don't need the whole damn thing at once, just enough to trust the love I've got. Yeah, the past is a part of me, but it don't get the final say. If you're real, you can stay and see how sweet this life can be. Have your cake, don't rush the taste. Life's too good to let it waste. Piece by piece, we'll find our way. A better life with every day.